So do you want us to be like, look, I want to get dick down. What are you doing?
Yes.
Yeah, we rolling. Yeah, we moving. Yeah, we speeding. And we grooving. Pull up on ya. Yeah, we cruising. You know how we do, yeah. And our flows are smooth, yeah, yeah. Hey, we chosen. Gang of bros and got the hoes in. Never slow, yeah. We on stage, yeah.
She over there. It's hot as it. Alright, we can go back to the other one. So, what is some annoying things guys do? But you gotta take a bite, bro.
Okay.
Before you do it.
I've been
no,
eating.
a bite of the
No!
you
It's a mukbang / Blazin challenge.
That's what I'm saying. So it's
bro, I said in the beginning
Alright,
I was not.
No, don't take a full one. Just take a bite of it.
Hell no.
Y'all gotta take a bite, cause then.
Bro, can I eat my pretzel?
Take a bite. I'm just.
Go ahead. Alright, go ahead. Answer.
What's
Take
the question?
What's some annoying things guys do?
Gosh.
Oh my goodness. First of all, why the fuck do you have a $1,000 phone to not text back?
Oh my God.
I don't understand that. Like, and why text me and bother me and my peace if you not gonna text back? Why? Why?
I think you feel me. You might want to find a new man. That
Man, single.
At this point, if he got that, you feel me?
I hate when y'all niggas act like.
Y'all niggas, not even.
It's like y'all act like 3 years younger than y'all is. So like, let's put it like this: you 20, right? But you really got the mentality of a 17-year-old, and then it just goes down from there. It's like, what the hell is wrong with you, y'all? Like y'all just be saying some bizarre shit, and I be looking at you. I'm like, do you need help? Do you need a juice and a nap right now? Like,
I ain't gonna. You shouldn't compare the juice and that with somebody, cause for me, I fuck with juice and that. You know what I'm saying?
The point exactly.
No, that's not the point, cause I'm cool. You feel me? I'm not. No. That's because of the whatever you want to call it. The green goddess. You feel me? That's what the green goddess does to you. But that ain't got nothing to do with it. You feel me? It's okay to want a juice box and take a nap. You feel me? And still be on your stuff.
Yeah, go let Jim.
Exactly.
See, this is
Or Capri
exactly what I'm
Suns?
talking
Fuck
about.
no.
Exactly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with juice, but why you gotta act like 17 and shit?
We was 17 back in the day.
And you had the mentality of like what?
Time out.
A 14-year-old?
Alright, I don't know about no time out.
Don't sit in the corner.
I don't know about that.
At this point.
Alright, we gotta take a bite to answer this question.
Yeah, this look like a bite.
You already took a bite? Alright, bet. I'm gonna take another bite then. Alright, bet. So it's the next one is the opposite. Basically, what's some annoying things girls do? I'm about to bite this, bro. I'm about to eat this, alright?
Oh, you still got a whole little thing over
I had 7.
Look
You
at
ain't
our trash.
had. First off, y'all ain't had the same amount as me. I had the most. I ain't know I thought we was gonna do it. Y'all did half and half. I should have did that. Alright, y'all ready? I'm gonna eat this
y'all should split one.
You can go ahead and answer first. Yeah, we should have split it. I ain't gonna hold it. There you go.
That's a good one.
What's on the wrong thing wrong with it?
Why they having none at the same time?
There's so many things.
So many.
Well, me personally, bro, I just don't like the contradiction that you feel me girls be having, bro. Like, and then on top of that, like, you feel me?
Explain.
Yeah, bro, I got you, bro. No, it correlates with what I was about to say next. So you feel me? Like, say like you want me to know what you thinking, but we just met, type shit, right? Say I just met you, bro. You are, like when we going out, you feel me, doing this and that, bro. You want me to know what you thinking, so like say like I can't even give you them. I'm like say like we somewhere, right, and you want me to do. This is a hypothetical in general. Say you want me in your head, you feel me? You wanted me to be or do something off the wall. I don't even know.
Like make a move?
Yeah, make a move. Let's go and make a move, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to make a move?
You can't make the move first.
Why can't you make a move first?
Some bitches be like,
That's a different topic. That's a different topic.
First of all, if the girl's there with you, go ahead and make the move first. If she didn't want you to make a move, she would not be there with your ass.
But for me, in that case, I agree with that. Not rape, but
there's some.
I mean, you can just put your hand on her thigh. If she hit your hand, then stop. If she don't, then you know.
First of all, we give off a sex sense.
So do you want us to be like, look, I want to get dick down. What are you doing?
Yes. Tell me.
Wow. Tell me. Are straightforward and never go.
Then y'all start acting funny. Well, I don't really know.
Man,
If a girl walks up to me off the street, say, "Hey, man, I'm trying to fuck."
You going with a girl off the street?
That's exactly my point. We don't know each other.
If a girl looks good, I mean,
or even if you from y'all been talking, you feel me, and you just
that
like,
too.
and like, damn, just be 100 with me. I'm being 100 with you. You feel me? I'm gonna tell you what I like, what I don't like.
I do like how y'all being respectful about it because some niggas just be like, bitch, we fucking and that's it.
Yeah, you know, bro.
But she's giving off the stuff.
Yeah, but actually, bro, you like, it's like either I'm fucking or either we fucking or I'm fucking.
We want to feel wanted, so you know.
Yeah, we not finna just throw out stuff at y'all. Then we look stupid in the end.
But we
telling y'all
if we chilling with you, obviously we want you. Ain't no nigga gonna be messing with you for me that once.
So it's the same for females. Why would we be sitting right in front of you?
But how far are you willing to go though? We don't know how far you willing to go.
Some girls be hanging out with guys for like reasons.
Yeah,
they hang out with one guy for food, and the next guy for like.
You're right, but she'll make it clear.
Sometimes she will.
She will. You gotta look at the body signs. I kind of see what y'all talking about, the contradiction.
You see what I'm saying? Like, but it ain't go bigger than what I was saying.
She'll be really annoyed with you. Like, what? Let's go there.
Everybody has a
McDonald's.
Whether or not.
That's why you gotta be straightforward as soon as you leave.
Okay, but if she look good, she's smelling good, she give me
Everybody
those eyes, then
straightforward.
why are you scared? Just
You're not
like,
even being scared.
touch her ass, and she be like,
What's up? What's good, little mama?
Sorry.
You feel me?
That's all you gotta say.
Then I make the whole
Tell me
scene.
what
This is when the communication comes in. Y'all know how to speak.
That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna just be honest, like what I'm looking for, what I want. But at the same time, I want that from you too. That's all I'm saying. I want it from you too. You feel me? That's the only thing though. I can't be 100 with you and you be like, alright, and then like coming down the path like, I don't really want to do this, I don't want to do it. You should have told me that back then because we wouldn't have been doing what we doing now. Alright, where's the worst smelling place you've been?
Horse stall.
You been to a horse? What? You been to that? What is it?
My boss got a horse. And I
know
go
that's
there.
that's like the state fair type shit.
It is in the state fair.
The worst smelling place I've ever been. Them community bathrooms at Ball Hall.
Oh, girl, yes.
Hey, they leave shit on in the toilet, bro.
They did that at North too. Horse shits and shit. Like, bitch, who the fuck raised you? You trifling
The
bitch.
streets.
How you gonna be? How you gonna?
Because that was just gross. Why would all the toilets would be clogged up? There was like one time where they closed both girls' bathrooms at North because both of them was just fucked up. And I'm like, wow. That's why I never stayed on the weekend.
Then the girl used to come in here and not wash her hands.
Oh gosh, she come in and out. I'm like, girl, and then you'll hear her trifling feet smacking on the ground, on the raw ground of the community bathroom.
It'd be like, so when you driving, bro, you'd be like close to like the river or something like the sewer, bro.
Talk about what we just went.
Yeah, bro, like one of them, bro, but it was one worse than that. Oh, damn. Be smell like wet dogs, mud, bro, booty, cigarette, donuts, bro,
Damn,
everything,
hold on,
bro.
I'm trying to eat this now.
Go ahead, take that bite, man. I got the next question. You feel me? Alright, man. Alright.
You doing the whole thing?
See what you trying to do? We doing the whole thing, we doing the half of it. It's whatever.
You compete with me. So what's up?
He can ask a question.
Alright, full thing.
Oh,
Look at you now. You.
Come on.
Alright, 1, 2. Wait, hold on. Do the 2, man. Let's go, man.
He's done.
It's the Blazin challenge. Or are you already tapped up? Cause that's you already tapped in. Unless you try to.
no, I said I was going.
Let me know.
So that means you out. You tapped up. Y'all ready? On 3. I ain't gonna do it. My dinner the biggest. I should go.
Hell no.
What you mean, bro? That's bigger, bro. Come on, bro. I should grab one of them.
Y'all ready?
Here, 3, 2, 1.
I know you did not.
Alright, the question is, what is your best hidden talent?
That's hint.
I'm not saying that.
What's your hidden talent, bro?
That's hint. I mean, everybody knows I draw.
Oh, no, that kind of talent.
My hidden talent. I can cook. Not a lot of people know I can cook.
What do you be cooking? You gonna cook something?
Stir fry, macaroni and cheese.
You should cook that for us.
That sounds good, girl. What type of Thanksgiving?
Remember Thanksgiving?
You good?
I think you're dying.
My best hidden talent?
I'm cool with my little Arizona.
This milk ain't shit, man.
I swear to God, it don't shit. I mean, for me, you already know I'm a rapper, rocker, songwriter. Another hidden talent though. I ain't really got no weird like body things.
Drink your milk, please.
Nah, not just drunk, but
Yeah, I ain't. What's your hidden talent?
I got no hidden talents. I mean, I play an instrument.
What instrument you play?
Baritone, trumpet.
I can play the trombone. I can play trombone.
Didn't you play that in freshman year? I hated y'all niggas. Y'all couldn't play for shit.
Hell no.
Mr. Cooper would stop everything talking about, hey, come on, y'all.
Because, bro, that whole quarter back there, me, Mike,
Michael
was
with
back
the
there.
fucking tuba. Oh,
Who else was back there?
Wasn't it Romero?
Chris, I think Romero too. Bro, we was all friends. We didn't know what we was doing. We like, fuck it, hey, y'all all trying to do band. We like, bet.
Mr. Cooper be like, stop. Y'all niggas back there, what y'all doing?
I swear, bro.
Either that or the trumpets. The trumpets, oh my god. Them niggas be behind me fucking up. I be like,
hell yeah, I'll take guitar, bro. I think niggas thought they would do it. That is kind of cool though. Guitar, the trumpet.
I can write poetry. I write poetry.
He did do better on her.
you know Keatorn? I'm sorry.
We went to school.
Look at the 2%. That's why
I said, bitch, the clowns are at the party. He said, no, they not. So then I was like, huh? Shut the fuck up, you stupid bitch. And we got to it.
Hot as hell, bro. It's hot. Alright, y'all ready for the next one, man?
Yeah, but like, I write poetry.
Video.
You over there. Y'all ain't trying to do
one
one. Do we might as well, y'all want to end the video then?
One last question.
Okay,
Let's do
please.
one last question. Everybody answer.
Do I can't?
Yeah, no, it hurt. It
Alright,
hurt.
well, so that means I'll give you up. That means I won the Blazin challenge.
Hell no, you ain't shit, bitch.
Then what's up?
Take
What's
one.
up?
Take one.
Wait, what am I focused? Is my focus? It don't matter. You ready?
Use your hand or something.
We tap out.
Ready?
This fuck on your
Make
foot.
a tap
Nah,
out.
that's the O for it.
Tap
I think
out.
this one mine. Ain't your fuck over there?
Yeah, my
Alright, Chris, so this one. Alright. You ready? You out? Alright, you ready?
fuck down till time to recover from the last one.
Hell no! Little bite. You better grab that.
Shit.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
You hating, you just be some pussy.
That's cheap.
Cheating.
Alright. What's the most random thing you ever watched on Netflix all the way through?
Sex education. I watched it because a friend told me to watch that.
I saw it on there, but I didn't know.
That bro, that shit was.
Cut it. Tall girl.
I saw that on
It's actually pretty
Netflix.
good.
What's weird about it?
You need something new?
A little bit. What's weird about it? What's the weirdest thing you ever watched?
I thought you said most random.
Look like
Oh
you
yeah,
got
that's
heartburn.
random. Yeah. I mean, but I was gonna say it was weird though.
I mean, it was kind of weird because I'm like, what? It's tall girls all around.
What happened? Bro?
It's all kinds of tall girls everywhere. Every girl not short.
I guess. Wait, what happened in sex education?
What about the hardship to being short?
Oh, my stomach hurts, man.
You got boo boo?
Hey, John.
Nigga, you got boo boo.
That is my stomach.
For me, it was 21 and over, bro. That movie was weird as hell, bro.
I mean, sex education had like a lot of shit.
Yeah.
A lot.
It was about these 3 dudes, like they all getting back together, like for like when like they've been gone away from each other for years. And one of their friends just turned 21, but he got like a big ass interview next day. And they turned up and everything, but they gotta go find him. He got drunk.
Yeah, we gonna be suffering later on. Why we do this?
Anything weird you see on
You
Netflix?
can answer the last question.
It was just one movie. I don't know the name of it. It had something to do
Okay,
with like,
drink your milk.
it was like a girl that had got like raped and killed.
Hold on, wait.
But it was like she was in heaven, but she was still seeing what was happening with her family and stuff. I don't know, it was weird.
Oh, are you talking about Lovely Bones?
Oh yeah, that is it.
Yeah.
Well,
That's a good one.
alright, guys, in the video, please like and subscribe for more content.
Shit.
We love that we did this for
Subscribe to my
y'all.
channel.
Definitely subscribe to my channel in the description below.
So
And my Instagram page, Stemmer Curls.
Maya's World, 3 A's.
Yes.
Solo kicks.
Yes, everybody follow you, everybody on Instagram. You already know mine. Please share this video, man, with your grandma, auntie, man, your mom, your mother. Same person, even though dad, your sister, brother, friends, everybody. Yeah, we love y'all, man. High hell. I won the Blazin challenge. Actually, no, we tied.
Hell, you didn't win.
We tied for the Blazin challenge. That's it, y'all.